All right, it's Tuesday, July 23rd. Bought some QQQ 486 puts here at 560. They're starting to move up. I bought it here on this 1 minute chart as it started breaking down through this area right here. Obviously expecting it to go lower. We have the failure to the upside on the structure on the intraday chart. It's been kind of choppy. Took out the high of the first bar. And the pre-market highs, and then it came all the way back down, through the middle of that first bar. So I'm looking for it to take out those lows again. The key thing here is in the big picture. Obviously, I'm looking for a 2-up failure today. I'm biased to the downside all week long until the weekly chart changes. We're still, this is the big red week from last week. I still think we're going to test that low some point this week. The first 2 days kind of paused a little bit. We're nowhere near the halfway point of that weekly bar. And even if we were, it would still be an inside bar. There'd be choppy action in here. But as long as we stay below there by the end of the week, I still think we can get down to the bottom of that. And I'm looking for those opportunities. Obviously, yesterday you had a bit of a 2-up day from above the midpoint of the first, of the prior day. So, today becomes the first potential failure to head back to roll over towards those lows of last week. So bought those puts here. This was to me the, opportunity to give it a shot to the downside here. We'll see by the end of the day what kind of day closes, and if we roll over and start heading to those weekly lows, I think we should at least take out these intraday lows. And, you got the pre-market lows down here. So there's some targets down here of liquidity to take out. We can set up an overage trade, and then we'll just see if it, closes on a failure. But if we get through the midpoint of the prior day, we could be heading down to the bottom of that. And again, the target here is kind of to test last week's lows after that big drop off and a little bit of a pause to start the week. So we'll see if it continues lower towards the lows of the day. Step one, pre-market lows, and then beyond that, if all goes well.